All right, right now you are about to see the best folding job ever. This is the best folding job I've ever seen. I was thinking this is a little much for this awesome looking sweatshirt, but you know what? I may never come back here again, and this fold has just made it worth it. This whole time I was thinking, oh man, let's just throw it in the bag and go, but then he kept going, and I'm like, okay. This might be a better experience than the geysers I just photographed. This was worth getting up at 4 o'clock this morning for.
That's saying something.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at this.
Yeah, no, with this bar. Look at this. Right
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. There we go.
Oh, look at that. It's there again. I'm ecstatic.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Wow.
You are the man. Here, high five. High five, dude. High five. All right. And what is this store again? This is
Yellowstone General Store.
Yellowstone General Store. All right. Wasn't that an insane way to fold a sweater? It took some time, but that was amazing. Again, this is just a little tidbit. Thank you again for watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos, please hit the subscribe button down below. And this is Jason Stewart, and I hope you have a great day. I hope this was a life lesson for you in sweater folding. All right, take care, guys.